Lagyan natin ng cover para hindi mapanis.
Ay, maganda siya. I enjoy eh.
Kakalimutan yung mga trabaho.
Mga problema ka
Mga
mo.
problema. Kaka-relax.
So if you see some powders escaping
Ba't maganda sa
from the
kanya?
last layer,
Maganda nga ito mamaya pag ano.
gently brush it away.
Hindi pa lang
And
madali.
this time we will use light green and dark green. So for if you found that you don't have enough color, like light green, for example, like what I'm having now, so you can scrape some more. But if you have plenty of them or enough, then you don't have to do this.
Ano ito oh. Ay, light green. Light green.
Light green na
Naroon na kasi itong
kukus-kukus.
sa akin eh.
Kukus-kus na naman tayo. Ano?
Kuskus tag light green.
Kuskus balungos.
For this layer, we will do the
Dark pala to.
go from the direction of the left to the right hand
Baliktad
color.
naman.
So first you can put the light green,
Light green.